Good afternoon and welcome to North Valley Forge. We would like to show you what we are doing today. Vital lovers! Yes, it's me! We're back here at North Valley Forge and we're going to show you what we're on with today. So, we've got this bit of a sign here. Customer wants something like that. So what we've done, as we always do, is draw everything out on the floor. And we make all scrolls to suit. So that's all a bit of a rough draft drawing. And we're making all these bits of squiggly bits, scrolls. And what we've got here is some 16x8. We've basically fishtail, well not fishtail, we've flattened it so it's splayed it out and it's gone down to a taper, but it goes on a fat end and we don't want that. So it's just going to be grinding it down a little bit into a point. Got that there like that. So we're going to manipulate them, give them a bit of that. 16mm angle iron. You see that? What we do with it is jam these into a point like this. Point. I'll show you how to do it. Well, like I said, we've got these here. We're just putting them into shape like this. We're going to chop them up and put all little ends on them, a bit like that, so that they end up as one. And we're going to weld all that together. Put all that in the fixing plate. It's going to be like that. So we don't just make gates, make all your signage as well. Also, we've got this daffodil panel, so you've got daffs here. You know, daff heads, we weld all these up, get a bit of 10mm round on here, turn this on, bit of a bending that, and you know what we've done there is just give that a bit of a kick so that when that goes on, it's going to sit on that, like that. We'll weld this on the bench over here. Get that bit of a tack on here. Get my helmet on. We've got that there. Fold that up fully. We'll gob these in. A bit like that there, you know. However it's going to land with these leaves on. And put that central leaf on, get them all set to go. So there you go, that's another panel going. All that is because we've a bit of a wedding going on tomorrow. Rick reckon's going to look like Morrissey, but heaven knows I'm miserable now. There you go, impression of Morrissey. But Danny Porter, mate of ours, he's crazy as hell. Wants some magic mushrooms making, so we've got these half balls that come like that, just a bit of an half ball, 50mm, chuck them into them, gas mark 6, beautiful. Grab one of these, just put it over the fridge hole, in centre, got a bit of 25mm with a rounded edge on it. I'm going to get that banging centre, give that a bit of a tap. Don't want to go too hard or else I'm going to bust all the way through it like, so steady away, and then I have gone right through it. I'll get another one. There you go, too hot that. Here's a smaller one. So right into the centre of that. Just over the top of it all there, quietly away. Anyway, Rick's been griefing me all morning about this drastic haircut, but at least I can grow mine back. Rick, you've no chance, bold Rick. So anyway, we've got them, and we'll take them over here, put a bit of 6mm round on them, 6 mil. So it looks like it's going to be a stem at mushroom, something like that. Cut them to size, and then pop that in there, bit of that. Bit of a weld in there. We end up with a bunch of magic mushrooms. Something like that. I don't know what he's using them for. I think he's putting them into some sort of spike or something. Some wood. But they're going to be all coming out of it, looking alright ornamental. So that's what we've got going on today. And we've got a big shout out for Jordan Burrows, which is Andy Burrows' lad, and his partner Joanne. Little girl born yesterday, Isabella, so living in Belfast. Great stuff, congratulations to them, and a big thumbs up and congratulations to Alan, Michelle and John for tomorrow, who are getting wed down at Bitnall. Bray on, and make sure it's Bob Swift for today next week. Heaven knows I'm miserable now.